How to meal prepare with MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open MyFitnessPal app. Then you have to move to the dashboard that is appear at the bottom here, and you can add or prepare meal by going on the more option which is present at the last and bottom. Click on more options. Now you have to scroll this and click on meals, recipes and the foods here. Now click on it and you can see that there are three options: recipes, meals and the foods. Click on the meals here. Now click on the create a meal. In this way, then you have to prepare your meal by writing their name according to the calories and the ingredients here. Thank you so much. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully. That was all. Kindly subscribing, liking and commenting to our video for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.